Look at that.
Whoa.
Can you have 2 monoliths in one day?
If Hero Island benches are a thing, then you certainly delivered one too. And then some.
God, that is beyond a work of art. Look at the curve here. Then it comes around, opens up, it curves under there. It's stunning.
The winner is... Daniel and Jade!
Introducing the winning kitchen on the block 2020. It is house number 3. Daniel and Jade, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Shelley. Thank you.
And I have to say, for me, this is the most elegant kitchen that we have here on the block this year. It's absolutely superb. The warmth is beautiful. The colour tones are amazing. Let's start with this mammoth island bench that you've got happening here and all the magic that goes with it, Daniel.
It's a beauty, and it's the first thing you see when you come into the kitchen, and we really wanted to work closely with Kinsman and also Christian Cole to try and create an island bench that was a bit of a standout. And for us, the Christian Cole walnut wrap around the island bench for us is an absolute standout. And as you can see, it's got a beautiful whiskey cabinet in the front of it for the men or the ladies.
Have a look at that, Shell.
This little piece of genius right here.
And when we mentioned it to Kingsman, they were more than happy to work with it, and they've supplied the bones and the top, and then Christian also worked very closely with them because, as you can see with the shape with this thing.
So we just sort of assured Kinsman. We've got Christian Cole, he's an amazing craftsman. He will work with you as closely as you will work with him. So it'll be a relationship that you'll have to form very quickly. They've worked brilliantly together. They've made this happen, and obviously, we've put it in our kitchen and we love it.
And I particularly love the new Oyster Grey cabinetry that you've got here. And that tiny little shaker profile that they're calling the Camden profile. It's just stunning.
It's very subtle. We love it because it's so subtle and it makes everything so seamless, and it's almost not here, which is beautiful. We love that about the kitchen.
Lots of practical elements in here as well. We're not fussing about with push or pulls, it's just the good old trusty handle. But I love the finish that these are done into.
The champagne.
This is gorgeous, the champagne, absolutely.
What do you think of the distance, Shell, between the 2 bench tops here? A lot of distance here.
There is a lot of distance here, but you can fit somebody cooking, you can fit somebody unpacking the dishwasher in here as well. I know there's going to be 3 little bodies running in and out as well. You, of course, selected the Bosch appliance package. Bosch integrated cooking over here. The Bosch integrated fridge, again with these beautiful champagne handles. Have you had a chance to cook in here yet?
Yes, we have. The Winners and Grinners meal, we were lucky enough, obviously, with the winning kitchen to then host that night.
I noticed that you have split up your oven bank. So you've got one out here and then one in the butler's pantry. Whose idea was that?
Look, we really wanted to go for the full working butler's pantry. Like having a big family, yourself, if you're entertaining guests and that, it's cook it in there and then shut the door, and you can always come back to it later in the evening, but you want to spend as much time with your guests. So shut the door, leave the mess in there, and come back in and enjoy the time with your friends.
It really does feel just so elegant and glamorous. This is a kitchen fit for any home, let alone just being a butler's pantry. You've got the Oliveri sink there, your second sink, second dishwasher, second lot of bins, of course both your ovens in here. This is all you need. This is what a normal house has. Forget the full-on Glamazon kitchen out there.
Totally right. Yes, it's double of everything, which is fantastic.
And you've got this beautiful open shelving system here, the 2020 Alumin in black, obviously with your Oyster Grey underneath there. A great place for a bit of a display, but also really functional.
Yes, yeah, I agree. You can have your cookbooks up there like we've got up there now. You can even put plants up there, anything you want to put up there, you've got lots of room to spread it all out. So yeah, it's really, really handy. It's so great. There's so much room to spread out.
There is, but there's plenty more room back out here. One of the other gorgeous features of your kitchen that I just love so much is the fact that all the cabinetry is completely flush with your bulkheads, and I think that comes down to your project management, Daniel.
Jade and I put a lot of effort into our kitchen. This is an area we put a lot of effort into, what we wanted and what we tried to achieve here, and I think we've done very well with it.
This isn't just the heart of House 3, this is the heartbeat of your home. You've done a magnificent job. Again, well done on the win. Even if it was using a bonus point, I would take it.
No.
Yeah, it's superb. Well done.
Thank you so much, Shelley.